What do we do on a no-trade day? That's right, relax and learn. So let me help you out today. So what are the 7 things? What are the 7 things that you need to be ready for trading? So it doesn't really matter if it's swing trading or day trading. So if you don't have any of these 7 things, you are not ready to trade. So let's start with the very basic, the very fundamental things that you will need. So the first thing you need is either a laptop or a phone, right? So preferably a laptop, or even better, you have both a laptop and a phone. So to start trading, you need to screen for the stocks, right? You need access to your trading platform, right? You need to find the valid trades. You need to do all this planning and all these things, right? So you will need a laptop. For me, I use a phone too because I screen my stocks on my laptop. Then I use my phone to key in all my trades. So I don't have to, switch the screens around to key in the right trades, and you mess up everything. It get very complicated, right? So if not, a laptop is just fine. Right? A laptop is just what you basically need to get started. You don't have to get the best one. You don't have to get the most powerful one, right? A laptop with very basic functionality is good enough, right? If it can connect to internet, you can run your stock screener, right? You can access your trading platform, good enough. Right? Personally, I use a MacBook Pro, right? But I can also use a $800, $500 entry-level laptop to do the same kind of trading, and I make the same kind of money, right? And of course, the second thing you need is an internet connection. So you need it to access your trading platform. You need to key in your stock screener, right? You need to screen for stocks. If you have a laptop, you don't have an internet connection, it's not going to work, right? So of course you need that kind of connection, right? If you do it at home, you trade at home, you have Wi-Fi and all the other stuff, and you don't really have to worry about this. But what about when you are on holiday? You want to trade on the go, right? Or you want to trade in your hotel room, you want to trade at the beach. You need an internet connection before you can start trading. So very simple, no connection, no trade, right? So the next thing you will need is a trading account. Now you have laptop, now you have internet connection. What can you do? You can only surf the net, right? You can only trade when you have a trading account. So to trade stocks, to trade forex, you will need a brokerage account. So choosing the right broker is very, very important, especially when your account size is very, very small, right? And also very largely depends on your trading style. So some brokers, they charge very high commission. They charge higher commissions per trade. And this commission can take a chunk out of your profits. Right? There are also brokers that charge very low commission. They are the discount brokers, right? Which can be as low as like $1 per trade. So you buy, they charge you $1. When you sell, they charge you $1. But they do charge a monthly fee, right? So that's the downside of it. So in order to choose the right broker, it really depends on your trading style, how you trade, right? Do you trade frequently? Right? If you trade frequently, maybe the monthly fee broker is better, right? Because you don't want to pay commissions for every trade you make. If you make 20 trades, you have to pay 20 times, right? So if you only trade like once a month, you only log in, you do once a month trades kind of thing, it makes more sense to have a commission-based broker, right? Commissions per trade, right? Also, do bear in mind that not the cheapest brokers are the most reliable one, right? The cheapest brokers may not be the most reliable ones. I know some of them, their online systems cannot execute trades fast enough, and they lack many functionalities. Like you can only buy and sell, you can't put in the orders and things like that. So the most scary thing about these cheaper brokers, right? Most of them are very small companies, right? Which they can be not very financial stable, right? They can bust anytime, and I wouldn't want to trust my capital in a broker that is not very reliable, right? I want to make sure that I can take money out anytime. So choose a reliable broker, not the cheapest, right? But the one that suits your trading style and frequency, because you don't want to pay so much commissions. So these 3 things, right? These 3 things are the very basic things that you need, right? They are easy to get, right? The laptop, the phone, the internet connection, the trading account, right? But the next thing is very critical, right? Because it ultimately determines how much you are going to make in trading, and that is money. So the capital, right? How much you have to trade. So the more capital you have, right, the more funds you have, the more funds you trade, the more money you can make. However, like all trading advice, you should only trade with money that you can afford to lose. Right? There are always risks involved in trading. And if you lose that money, right, if you happen to lose that money, right, your lifestyle should not be affected. If you have to change your lifestyle when you lose money, right, if you have to like sell your car, you have to sell your house, you have to stop eating McDonald's, right, then you are maybe taking too much risk. But your capital cannot be that small too either, right? If you want to start trading with a $500 or $1,000 account, yes, you can definitely do that, but I doubt you make a lot of money. Right? The commissions from the broker accounts, right? The commission that you have to pay per trade would have wiped out most of your profits. So even if you really make money, if you really make like $5 to $10 a month, right? After 20 trades, you make $5 to $10. Do you think it is really worth the effort? Right? I don't think so, right? So if you want to make decent profits, you will need a sizable capital, a sizable account, right? Probably around $10,000 to $30,000 to begin with. So if you don't have that money, perfectly fine. It's time to either save or work on your earning capabilities first, right? That's why I still work, right? I'm not a full-time trader. I still work to make money, right? Meanwhile, you can always paper trade, hone your skills, and go live when you're ready. You have money, then you start trading. And the last three things, I think the last three things are probably the most important in your trading. But yet, 82% of the traders do not have all of them, right? They do not have the last three things. And these are the things that truly determines your trading success. The first few items let you get started, but if you want to make money, you want to become a successful trader, the next three things are very important. Right, so the next thing is to have a proven and profitable trading strategy. But instead, many traders just log into their account every day. They follow the news, they read the news, they buy and sell what they like. Right? They buy and sell based on what other people say. Right? That's not trading. Right? That's gambling. Right? If you want to make consistent profits, you must have a trading strategy. Right? You only want to buy and sell based on the trading rules, and you never buy the feelings. Right? Your trading system have rules, right? Your trading system must also be very reliable and probable so that you have more wins than losses. Right? Only then you can be profitable. So how do you know whether your trading system is profitable and reliable or not? Right? How do you know whether your trading system will make you a consistent profits? So you will need to do back testing, right? That's the way to do that, right? Back testing. And there are a lot of data out there, right? There are tons of information, there are tons of stock prices out there, and many stock screeners and stock charts allows you to go back 20 years ago and look at all their daily candles, look at all their stock prices. Right? So with that, you can test out your strategy for 20 years and see if your strategy works or not. You can test it out with different kind of market situations, right? All the bull runs, you can test out on the bear markets, you can test out on the unpredictable periods, right, where there's a lot of uncertainty, stocks move very erratically, right? So from all this testing, right, you will learn a lot, right? You can then refine and improve on your trading strategy to make it even more reliable. So that's how you can design your own trading strategy. So once you have your trading strategy, do you think you will make money and become a successful trader? No, right? That's not good enough. Right? A profitable trading strategy, a profitable trading set of rules does not guarantee your success. That's why you see people pay thousands of dollars to find out about a particular trading system, but they don't get the same result as the other traders, right? Because you will need something else. And that is the trader's psychology. So you see, there's no one strategy that is 100% reliable. Different strategies react very differently with all the different kinds of market situations. So sometimes they are in sync with the market, they make money, and you will have all the winning streaks, right? But there are sometimes they go out of sync, and you will have losing streaks, right? It can be a few months, you have a few months of losing streaks, or even a year, right? And that's where your psychology comes in, right? Can you still follow the rules during all these streaks? Will you get very greedy and deviate from your rules and do something different, right? Because you are making money, you are very happy, you got too overly confident and you do something that is breaking your rules, right? Or will you get so fearful, right? And you might you are so fearful that you might lose and you extend your losing streaks, right? Can you still stick to your rules and trade like nothing have happened before? Right, so success in trading is really all about that consistency. So if your trading strategy is proven to be very profitable, then you need to have the faith, right? You need to have the faith to power through the losing streaks and maintain the rules when you are on the winning streak, so that you are always consistent, you are always making money, right? As what the trading system tells you to do. So it's very easy to say, where you can say, I want to do this, I will follow the rules. But in fact, it's very difficult to do. Why? Because when real money is involved, that's when your true test begins, right? So always work on your psychology, right? Even if you are a good trader, right? When it comes to real money, things are very different. You can trust me on that, right? So for me, I consistently remind myself that I need to stick to my rules, right? Stick to my trading strategy. Right. So to do that, right, I teach people how to trade. I create videos, right, not just for you, but for my own benefit, right? Because through all these videos, I am reminded of my trading strategies. I'm reminded that I need to be consistent with the market. So never let your guard down, right? When you are doing trading, right, it's very easy to break your own rules. So always work on your psychology, right? Whenever you have time, practice, right? So that's how you do it. And of course, the last thing you need to become a successful trader is about education, right? You need to have that right education, specifically that right trading education. So you must learn and invest in yourself, right? Learn the skills from the experts, right? Learn about the indicators and how to use them. Learn how to analyze and read the stock charts. Right? Many traders I know, they are very, very reluctant to invest in their own education, right? So they rather learn from their own mistakes, right? And they go out and trade. They learn from their bad trades. They lose money, right? Not only that, these lessons are very expensive, right? They are also time consuming, right? Because you lose a chunk of money, it takes time to recover that money. So if I haven't invested myself in that $10,000 trading course that I took 6 years ago, I would have lost a few $100,000 today and still not a good trader today, right? $10,000 is nothing when you know that this $10,000 can make you a few $100,000 and save you all the time, right? You don't have to make the same kind of stupid mistakes that you make. So don't learn from the school of hard knocks, right? In trading, you want to cut short your learning curve, right? You must learn fast and you learn from a mentor. Right, this is one of the reasons why I run this channel. I want to show you how real trading works. I want to show you what it takes to become a good trader. And I want to give you that education today, right? I want to give you that education you need to become a better trader. So my mission for this channel is to help you, right? Help you and 1 million traders to become better traders and yet make consistent profits. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow my work, right? In my channel, you will see a lot of my daily trade of the days, right? Before the market open, I will talk about the trade that I'm going to take that particular day itself, right? And of course, if there's no trading, and then trading that day, there's no value trade that day, there will be guides like this to help you to become a better trader. So go on, click on the subscribe button below, and I will see you soon in my next video.